Welcome everyone to Microsoft Access Database Tutorials with me Ahmed, and here is our inventory database. So let's log in and start our tutorial. So this time we will talk about order tab, and it's a feature of moving between controls on any screen we are working on. And for this one, we will talk about three different types. The first type would be something like this form without any records here, just buttons to click on. And the second type would be something like this, a form with multi records here, as you see here, 1, 2, 3 records here, multi records. And the third one would be another form with just one record, just a single record. So let's start one by one. So the first one would be this one. The tab order is working this way. When we hit the tab button, it goes from one button to another till it reaches to the last one. So you will see here, it's not obvious so well. So as you see here, we have some dots around this button. This means if I hit enter now, this supplier button would be activated, just like this. So it opened supplier form because the supplier button was activated. But if I hit tab now, it would go for the next. If I hit enter, I will make sure that this customer button is active now. So the customer form is opening. This means the customer button is activated. So it's like this. I'm getting from one to another one by tab button. So I am here now. If I hit enter, this user will open. And if I hit now on enter, this one is active. So it will log out from our database, from our user here, just like this. So we are out now. So we can log in again, just like this. And here we can control the order of these buttons here, as you see. I will go to design view, and from design I will go to tab order, this one, and I will check all all buttons here if they are in the right order or not. As you see here, they are now correctly, but I will rearrange them again to show you how it's working. So for now I will make it auto order, so everything would be mixed again, just like this. Now let's try and see what's gonna happen. Now it's starting from here again, but after this one it's here, but now it went here for this button. If I hit enter, I will make sure that this one is active now. As you see, it opened this from this button. So we are on current user 4. If we want it back again to the right order, we will go for design view and rearrange them one by one as we like. From design tab, I will go for tab order. I will rearrange them manually. So the first one is supplier, this one is right. The second one customer, okay. And the third one is product. This one is not right. I will get this one. I will grab it up there like this. This is the third one. After this we have purchase order, which is the one here, like this. Then sale order, this one. Okay, after this I will go for that button, edit username and password, which has the name of edit current user. This one is right, okay. Then user search, this one, and logout. and the last one is stop button, which is this one. So it's okay now. We can hit OK and start to use our form like this. As you see here, it's now on supplier. I am hitting tab and it's customer, then product, purchase order, sale order, edit current user, users, and log out, then stock. If I hit enter now, I will make sure that this stock button is active. I'm hitting enter and it's opening the stock form as you see here, so everything is okay right now. After this, we will go for the second type of tab order, which is something like this, a form with multi records. Here we have many records as you see. If I hit tab, it should go from the first control to the next till the last control on that or on that record, then go to the next line. So let's try and see if it's working right or not. No, now it's going okay, but after this it's coming back again to the same line on the first control, and we don't want it to work this way. This means we have something wrong here we need to fix. So I will go for design view. I will check the tab order when the design is active. This one I will check if it has the right order or not. First one, contact ID, right, contact, right, okay, contact phone, contact address, this one, contact node, the last one, and we have something else which is called text bag highlighted. This one is different, and this one is the one causing the problem here. But why? This one here is another text box. It's not for adding any information, it's just for showing a different color on the whole line, as you see here. I will show it to you. This for this color. So if I do this, you will see the whole different color for the whole width here. So this means we have another text box for the whole width. It's just for showing another color. But this one also has a tab order, so it's the order is coming after the last one. After this one, I'm activating that hidden text box, and I have another code which is telling the program if that color text box is activated, then go directly to that one. This means instead of moving forward to the next line, it's coming back again to the first control on that order. So I'm getting back again. I'm starting over again for the same line. For this, I need to deactivate the order tab for that text box of highlighting the color. So each one has the tab feature, but sometimes I need to deactivate that feature for some controls. For example, I will check this one. Now I am selecting that white text box of highlighting the color. As you see here, this one is selected, text back highlighted. I will go for other. As you see here, it has something called tab index. This is the order of hitting the tab button. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and start from 0. So this one is 0 and this one is 5. So it's coming after this one, and when it comes, the program tells it to go back again to that one. So it starts from 0 again. So here we have another option which is called tab stop. This means to activate or not to activate that highlighting box with our tab feature. So I will turn it as no to ignore that one while entering the tab button. Okay, I will go here. I will make this one no. Just like this. Then I will close this area again and go back to that form view. So let's try now one more time. As you see, it's working correctly right now, as if we don't have that highlighting text box on our tab. So I'm moving forward like this to the next line, and I also can move backward by hitting the shift with the tab button like this. I can move backward to the top again, like just like this. So everything is correct right now. Okay, now let's move on to the third type of tab order, which is located on something like this one, like this form of a single record. Okay, now let's hit tab and check if it has the right order or not. I'm hitting tab and it's going very well. Everything is all right now. So everything is okay. We don't have to edit anything. Now I have to show you the option of making these different types. I will go for design view for this form, and on other tab we have something called cycle. This cycle is responsible for managing that option, that feature, whether to navigate through one record or through all records. Here we have just one record showing on the screen, so I need it to be edited as just one record. As you see here, this one says current record. So it means when we get to the last control on that record, we will go back again to the first control on the same record, as you see here. So it has current record, all the records, and current page. For example, if I go for all the records to show it to you, you will notice the difference here. For example, this is one record. If I go with tab, it will go to something else, which is a new record, add new record. So this means we have multi records here, because this one is for all records. But I want this form to work for just one record, so I will go back again and fix it as just current record, because this form is a single form from here. This form is a single form, so it should be the current record only. Current record. Okay. Also for this form, it has many records, so it should move through all records together. So from here, design view, I will go to other tab, and as you see here, this one says all records. So I am moving through all records. If it was just current record, it would just stay on the same line all the times, just like this. Can't move up or down at all. If I'm here, for example, I will stay here forever, just like this. No matter how much I hit that tab button, it will stay on the same line, because this one says current record. So let's fix it again as all records, because this one is a multi record form, and this form type here, it says continuous form. Continuous form means multi records showing on the detailed section. This one, as you see here, it has multi records on the detailed section. Moving through all records means cycle is all records, and moving through just one record means the cycle is current record. And also for navigation for this one is just for the current record, which is here. This one also is a single form, so its cycle would be current record, just like this. So these are all the types of tab order. We will just check all forms here to check to make sure if they have something wrong or not, and if we see any errors on them, we will fix them to work correctly on the right order. So let's go back again. We have checked this one, so we'll go for the customer. I'll try the tab and it's working okay, but still on the same line. This means again the highlighting color box on the background is affecting our tab order, so we need to deactivate it from the tab order again. So I will go here, I will select that box on the background, this one, text back highlighted. I will go for other, I will make this one no. I'll make it no, just like this. Now let's try it again. Okay, it's fine now. So it goes back and forth. Everything is alright. Now let's move on to the other form, single form. And this one, I'm hitting the tab button and still on the same, it stays on the same record because this one is a single form for a single record. Okay, now let's move on to the other form. After this we have product. I'm hitting tab and it's working correctly, but I'm hitting backward with shift key, but it's not coming to the top again because the same highlighting field is affecting our tab order. So anyway, we need to deactivate that field from our tab order. So I will select that field and tab order would be no. Tab order would be no. So let's check it again. I'm going forth. Now I'm hitting the shift with tab and it's coming to the top again, just like this. So everything is okay now. So let's move now to its single form from edit, just from here, and everything is okay and it stays on the same record. Okay, now let's move on to the next form, which is purchase order. I'm hitting tab, but as you see here, this one is not on the right order. It is on the last order for the same line. After this, it comes to the next line like this, and then the next line again. And if I go backward with shift key, it's not coming to the top anymore because of that highlighting field. So we need to do two things here. The first one is deactivating the highlighting field from tab order, and the second one is rearranging the order to put this order day field on the right order. So let's go here from design view. I will select this one. From other, I will make this one as no. Like this. Now I will go for design and tab order, As you see here, this order day is on the last order for the current form. Why? Because I have added this one lately. This one was the last one added for my form. So if I add a new field on the form, it's automatically added as the last tab on that order. So I need to fix them while adding. This one is order day, it's after the order date, so it would be here. So I will try again now, and as you see, it's on the right order right now. As coming to the next line and to the last line, and I can go back now with the shift key up again like this. So everything is well working for now. So let's go to its single form. From here, edit. Now I will select another one with many records on its subform, just like this one here. If I hit tab, this one is a single form like this, and after this we come in here down. Everything is good for now, but on our subform we don't move down to the next line, and this again because of the highlighting field. We need to deactivate that field on the subform. So it would be here. I will select this one, select it again. Now I am on the subform. I will open this one here. I will select its highlighting field, which is on the background. Now this one is selected. I will go for its other tab, and I will make this yes as no. This one would be no, just like this. So let's try again. Now it's moving to the next line very well. And if I hit shift with the tab button, it's coming back again to the top. So everything is working correctly right now. Okay. Now it's fine with the purchase order. So let's move to the next form, which is the sale order. This one here on the list for, again the order day is not on the right order, and we are moving to the next line on the bottom, but we can't go back to the top again because of that highlighting field. So we need to apply the same two things one more time here. So the highlighting field, this one, I will turn yes as no. This one will be no. And the order tab on design tab order, I will get this order day just right after the order date, just like this. Now let's try again. Yeah, it's working correctly right now. Everything is fine. And if I shift tab, it's coming back again to the top correctly. Okay, it's fine. Now let's go to its single form and check this one with the tab. Here the day is not coming in the right order, and let's check the subform. It's not coming to the next line at all. So we will apply the two things again here. We will rearrange the order for the single form and deactivate the highlighting field for the sub form. This one, I'm on the main form right now, so I'll go for tab order. The order day would be just right after the order date, just like this. And here on the subform, I will select that field. Before this, I have to close the other forms to work on the property sheet. This one, I will turn yes as no. I will close this one here. So now let's try again. Yeah, it's fine now. Let's go back again to the top, and it's working correctly, so everything is fine right now. And after this we have these buttons here. Let's check them as well. This one has a single record, as you see. If I hit tab, it's coming on the right order, so everything is alright on this form. Okay, let's go back again to the next one. This one, if I hit tab, it's not coming through the administrator checkbox. It's not on the right order, so we need to fix this one. Also, it's not coming to the top again with shift tab. So again here we need to apply these two options, two features. The first one would be rearranging the administrator checkbox from tab order. The administrator would be before the user name, just like this. And the highlighting box would be no for tab stop. It would be no, just like this. Now let's check it again. For tab administrator now on the right order, and it's coming to the next line correctly, and I can go back again to the top if I hit shift with the tab button, just like this. Okay, now let's go to its single form from here, and if I hit tab, it works fine and the order is right, just like this. Okay, let's close them, go back again to the navigation form, and after this check the last form here on our form. So I am clicking tab and comes to the next line, but if I hit shift tab, it's not coming to the top again because it's that highlighting field. That highlighting field is not is active now, so I need to remove it from the tab stop. I will go for this one, and tab stop would be no, just like this. Now let's try again. I'm clicking tab, it's moving forward, and with shift tab it's moving backward, just like this. And by the way, the code of that working for the highlighting field is this one. If I hit the highlighting field itself, the cursor is going for activating this first field, just like this. I'm hitting here. What happens? It's not activating the highlighting field itself, but it's going to the first control on our form, just like this. I'm hitting this one, I'm activating this one, because if this one was activated, this color would hide the whole fields here. We wouldn't see these values at all. would be hidden under that color. So to avoid this one, I made it this way. If I try to activate the highlighting field itself, another control would be activated to show the other values here, as you see. So this way, the highlighting field would be on the background always. So this is all for our navigation and using tab button. Okay guys, all for now. I hope you get it all clearly, and if still confused about anything here, please feel free to contact me. I will try my best to help you with this. I hope you all the best and see you next time.